Welcome to my day 16 of my 60-day Phase 2 Bulking Phase Challenge. As I continue with my old exercises, when I started my bulking and before I started my bulking phase challenges, these were the workouts that got me really motivated to start bulking up as I gained confidence in the gym and I started seeing some results of bulking up and building up strength. But as I continue, I would like to share some of my moments with you. As you are aware that I live in China, I do product sourcing and e-commerce. I visit some exhibitions and share some of my personal life. I've been visiting a lot of exhibitions. In particular this week, I've got 2 exhibitions that I visited and I've posted the videos so you can watch them as well to see what's happening in China and what products are available. Thank you for watching, and please note that this video was mainly for my bulking phase. Please subscribe and drop a comment below. Also like the video.